You already know your Mac has hundreds of keyboard shortcuts, and almost every app you use has its own set of shortcuts as well. It is obvious that you cannot memorize all of them. But what if I told you there is a free app that displays all the keyboard shortcuts for the app you are currently using with just the press of a button? So you don't have to memorize keyboard shortcuts ever again. Let me show you how. The app is called Cheat Sheet. It is completely free. I will leave the link in the description. Once you install it, you don't open it like a normal app. It just sits in your app list, but it does not open if you tried launching it. Right now, I have Safari browser open. Simply press and hold the command key for 2 seconds. A beautiful overlay instantly appears, showing all the keyboard shortcuts available for that particular app. Makes it very easy to go through and find few shortcuts that can be useful. You go off command key, overlay disappears. What I like most is that the shortcuts change depending on the app you are currently using. Open Finder, you will see Finder shortcuts. Switch to Photoshop, you will see Photoshop shortcuts. It is completely context aware. And here is the best part. The app is completely free, barely takes any storage, and does not put any noticeable load on your Mac. It's one of those utilities you install once and forget it's even there until you need it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.